Welcome to Van of Action, the van build series, and we have 3,000 subscribers today. Today's a pretty big day. Today is a big day, and thanks so much to all you folks for watching. I haven't been showing much in the last 4 or 5 months because we've been on the road. At the end of April, we left our home here in British Columbia, and we traveled south through Vancouver, Washington State, Idaho, Colorado, and we ended up in Santa Fe. We spent 10 days in Santa Fe, which was a lot of fun. And from Santa Fe, we worked our way north. We went to Fort Morgan. If anyone watches the makeover thing, we went there. We ended up on the front page of the newspaper, which was kind of fun. And then we worked our way through Yellowstone Park, Mount Rushmore, the Badlands. We worked our way across easterly along that highway through Sioux Falls, crossed Lake Michigan, right in the middle of Lake Michigan, which was really something on the SS Badger. Anyone going that way, it's really an amazing trip. Saves hours of driving too. It was kind of fun. And then we got to Ontario. And in Ontario, which is where we came from before COVID, we have a lot of family to visit, and we also had some business with it we had to take care of. So we ended up spending the whole summer in Ontario. And we came back to British Columbia for 3 weeks in July, and then we flew back to Ontario again, and we had some business to take care of. We came back here to British Columbia towards the end of September, and we'll be here until it starts to snow, and then we'll be heading back to Ontario again. So the van itself is in Ontario right now. But today's 3,000 subscribers, and that really blows me away. When I started this channel, I had no idea what to expect. I thought I had some information that might be useful to other people. But more than that, I was just doing it for me. I thought it'd be fun to think about all I was doing while I was making the movies, while I was doing the van build, just to amuse myself while I was working alone in the mountains. And I've been blown away by the way it's taken off. This has been so much fun for me. Since I started on January the 31st, 2021, that's 31 months ago, the channel has had 281,000 visitors. And those visitors have watched over 20,000 hours of video. Just think about that. That means if someone, 24 hours a day, every minute of the day, for 833 days, someone's watching me do my shit here online. I think that's just really humbling, but it's just amazing. Just amazing. I can't believe it. Some of the videos have been watched, 300 or 400 times, 100 times. Some of them have watched a lot. My insulation video about the rock wool, or the Havelock wool insulation, has been viewed 40,000 times. The one I'm most proud of is my roof clip system for the Promaster van. That saved me a ton of money, and the video turned out really well. It's been viewed over 36,000 times, and I've gotten a lot of comments about it, and I know that people all over the world have copied that system. I know that because Google gives me analytics. Once you reach a certain number of subscribers, YouTube lets me see who's watching. Most of my viewers are in the United States, which isn't surprising, but the second greatest number or percentage of viewers for my channel are in the United Kingdom, which I really get a thrill about because we've been to the United Kingdom quite a bit and we really enjoy it there and love it there. And I think I'll have a child living there before I'm done, so maybe you'll see me there. The third group is from Canada, and the fourth group of most watchers is from Australia. And I've gotten emails every week from people from all 4 of those places talking to me about my roof clips. And I just love the fact that people are copying them. People are saving a lot of money and smiling every time they look at their roof rack, the same as I do. It's so much fun to be able to do that. Now, as always, the information on this channel is absolutely free. I don't make any money from anything, and I can't. I'll tell you why. First off, monetizing your YouTube channel. I know there's a lot of folks out there thinking, geez, I'm going to get a YouTube channel. I'm going to get busy. I'm going to get some subscribers. I'm going to start making money. Well, I've been at this now for a while, and YouTube only pays you when you earn $100. Every time someone watches your video, they have this algorithm that calculates how much you should get. And I've been monetized now for almost 2 years. And I have never reached $100. I don't know how it works, but I'll get up to like $65 or $70, then I'll be back down to $50. Then I'll go back up to, $65, back down to $42. Today, it's $44.77. 3 weeks ago, they said they owed me $67. I have no idea how they do it. And luckily for me, it doesn't really matter. I would love to just get one payment so I could get like a frame and put it on the wall, but I don't think I'll ever get to that $100 where they have to pay me. So there's nothing there. I have been asked by several suppliers or manufacturers to be spokesman for them, or to collaborate with them is the way they say it. But I have no interest in doing that. I am not going to be opening other people's shit, telling you how wonderful it is and trying to talk you into buying it. That's not why I did this. I'm just having fun. I hope you're having fun, and I hope you're finding it useful. And I want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for being here so much. And thanks for taking the time to comment from time to time. I really appreciate it. We got a lot more to do, so stay tuned.